renewable energy is not a dream but a reality waiting to be embraced. Good morning, I Komalpreet.
Hi Jashanpreet. Hi Harneet.
Today we are here with our model on topic plant microbial fuel cell. As we all know, electricity is the very basic need of a human life. Still, 25% of the people live in dark at night. The demand for clean, green, renewable energy is increasing day by day. 70% of the energy needs are fulfilled by non-renewable resources which are polluting our environment so badly. So it's very important for us to find a new source. In this perspective, we came with a new source called as plant microbial fuel cell. These are the devices in which biological processes of the plants are used to produce bio-green energy. This is the best, sustainable and cheapest way to produce good amount of electricity.
So the very first question arises in our mind is that why do we choose this topic? This topic has made us realize that science is not only about machines but also about nature and life. We combined our interest in biology, environment and innovation, and we were surprised to know that how small things can bring drastic change in the world.
Plant microbial fuel cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So plants used for the same are snake plant with voltage of 0.5, paddy with voltage of 0.8, patthar chadi with voltage of 0.7 and aloe vera of voltage 0.6. So the first step is in the anode chamber, microbes take up the unused organic material released by the plant, which is about 60 to 70%, and while decomposing the organic material they release the electrons, which is another step transferred to the cathode chamber with the help of ceramic membrane. So next step is, as the voltage is very low, so it is transferred to the supercapacitor where it is stored temporarily. Next step, to boost up the voltage, it is transferred to the booster converter. As the plants release approximately 3 voltage, we can either light up the small devices like LEDs or sensors, or we can store in the rechargeable lithium polymer battery. So in the whole mechanism, microbes act as a biocatalyst which convert chemical energy into electrical energy within an eco-friendly way.
The researcher in the Wageningen University, Netherlands, has created a sustainable way to produce electricity directly from living plants. And the results for the following were that electricity can be produced even at night since microbes are activated in the dark. And the plants continue to grow normally without any harm.
Imagine wetlands, green parks and even your gardens can power lights without any pollution or fossil fuels. That's the promise of plant microbial fuel cell. Thank you.